Hey everyone, welcome back. I am here with another video for Asus Zenfone Max Pro AMCO in series of custom ROM and today I am going to review the latest update of Conqueror OS version 4.4. It is an Android 11 based ROM with CAF based ROM. So you can check here it is including Android security update of June month and also with Plus kernel. It is very good and very stable ROM, so you don't need to worry about the stability and smoothness of ROM. It is a decrypted build, so you don't need to wipe Gaga. In case of network and internet, Wi-Fi connectivity and hotspot connectivity both are very good. If I talk about application notification, you can check here some normal setting also. I have used the GF build, so you see here Pixel Launcher is given, but you can use the vanilla build also if you want some more features like call logging option. If I talk about display check, you can check here Garkim is working perfectly. Also Nike like is in Gensky is very good, it is working very good, you will not have any issue. Also in case of Skyline, you can easily customize the wallpaper and also Capco Wake and Capco Sleep option are working perfectly on lock screen and checkers bar. It will not work on home screen as last time. In case of battery backup, because having good battery backup, you can check here. The battery drainage is very good. Deep sleep is not working in this subject, so you will not get this option. Overall, the battery backup is, if I talk about the sound quality is very good. You will have a good quality of sound in case of mega volume gaming sound. If I talk about banking's security features, you can check here fingerprint lock and face unlock both are working very good. Also, you can check here the app lock is given, so you can use the app lock. Also, you can check here face unlock is working very speedy. So no much bugs are in this update. You can check in case of accessibility some normal options are given like color inversion and color correction. Also in case of feature you can check here gestures are given to customize the feature. Also in case of status bar and lock screen you can easily customize the settings of status bar and quick setting options. In case of theme customize you can check here, you can easily customize the sync color, font size and icon size. In case of system you can check some gesture option and system update are given also, so you can use these options to customize the setting of your phone. Also 3 finger swipe down to take screenshot is working perfectly, you will not have any. So you can check here double tap to sleep on lock screen and double tap to sleep on status bar is working perfectly. It is not working on home screen like last update. You can check here AOB is working perfectly without any issue. Also quick settings is very good, you will have a good user experience here. Also screen recording working perfectly to record your gameplay and another option if you want to record the system settings. So you can check here in case of home setting you can some easily customize the pixel launcher settings are given here. If I talk about some normal cash and banking apps, so all banking apps are working perfectly like Paytm, Google Pay, PhonePe, GPay and also Yono SBI Gauge. All banking apps are working perfectly without any problems. You will not have any issue to use the banking apps. Also the safety net status and security all are very good. You can check here. In case of safety net case, it is very successfully passed. Also the Play Store is certified, so you will not get any issue in case of app from Play Store. You can check here in Nekiro Casker. The by default gauge ROM is not broken. Also the Geekbench score is not that much high. It is average like around 1200 and 280. So the score is not good for gauge ROM, but the stability and smoothness is still better for gauge ROM. So you will not have any issue to use gauge ROM for smoothness and stability. If I talk about calling feature, you will not have native video calling or Wi-Fi calling and also call recording option. In last update, video calling was working, but in this update it is not working. Maybe because I have used GF build, maybe it will work on vanilla build. You try and tell if it is working or not. But in last update, native video calling was working in this option. Also, special thing in this update is that it is having inbuilt Nikika Gcam 8.1 update, so it is very good option. All the settings and all the functions are working perfectly in this Gcam. You can check here, all the settings are given perfectly. Also the version of this Nikika Cam is 8.1.101, so this is very good option to use in this ROM. You can check here OK Google is working perfectly. You can check here OK Google is working perfectly, so you will not have any problem to use Google Assistant for your device. So it is very good. So this ROM is quite good and quite user GUG experience, so you can use this ROM for your Gaelic driver. You will not have any issue. Also, the stability and smoothness is very good. All the sensors are working perfectly. You will not have any issue. Also, temperature mode is working perfectly. A Wagger option is given in case of gate. You will not have any problem. The stability and smoothness of this ROM is very good. You can use this ROM as your Gaelic driver. Also, gaming experience in this ROM is not that much high, but it is good. So this is the video for Koge. Let's make in next video. Some another options are given here like wallpaper settings. So let's make in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay connected, stay updated till next update. Thank you for watching.